Smart Insights, Transforming Data into Strategic Business Decisions. Part 2, Analyzing Data for Marketing Insights. Welcome back to Smart Insights. In Part 1, we explored the foundations of data-driven decision-making. Today, we're diving deeper into something every business sees: marketing insights that drive real results. Why marketing data matters. Marketing data tells the story of your customers, what they like, how they engage, and when they're most likely to convert. But gathering data isn't enough. You need to know how to interpret it. Let's break it down. When analyzing your marketing data, focus on these key insights. Traffic sources: where are your leads coming from? Social media, organic search, paid ads. Engagement metrics: are people interacting with your content? Likes, comments, shares, click-through rates. Conversion data: how many visitors actually take action, sign-ups, purchases, or downloads? Customer behavior: which content performs best? What's the customer journey from first click to final purchase? Tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, Hotjar, and Social Media Insights dashboards can help you gather and visualize this information in real time. Here's an example. If your email campaign had a 3% click-through rate but only a 0.5% conversion rate, that might indicate your landing page needs improvement. That's how data tells you what to fix or what's already working. Once you've spotted the trends, it's time to adjust your strategy. Maybe you shift your ad budget to the channel with the highest ROI, or maybe you double down on the content that gets the most shares. Marketing success isn't luck, it's data-driven. So here's your action step. Choose one marketing channel, pull its data from the last 30 days, and identify what's working and what's not. Use those insights to make one strategic change. Don't forget to subscribe and join us for Part 3, where we'll explore how to use data to forecast trends and stay ahead of your competitors. Until next time, stay smart, stay strategic.